I'm Tech Sergeant Chu, currently with the 154 FSS at our unit, and right now we're training on our Home Station Readiness Training. Our Home Station Readiness Training is basically making sure we're wartime ready in our functional areas. We go through a whole course and some hands-on training. Most of it is working on our functional areas such as food operations, contingency lodging, fitness, MWR, and building up tents. We're coordinated ahead of time with emergency management, Master Sergeant Fuentes, who assisted us with putting on MOP gear, all the different MOP levels, all the different phases that go along with emergency management. So that way, whenever we deploy, we're ready and we know how to put on our MOP gear. So right now, talking about resource management, non-appropriate funds, appropriate funds, also have a good understanding of command and control as a role as for FSS.
What you're going to do is fold in, then fold in, and burrito.
So we have our 10% going on, and we have our SSS, known as the Alaskan Small Shelter System, tent build-up. And the purpose for these build-ups is whenever we go downrange. So our single pallet expeditionary kitchen, known as the SPEC, that is used as a feeding platform. So whenever we get deployed out for contingency feeding, we gotta feed our troops. So the whole purpose of that 10% is you can use it as a dining area or even for lodging. So this is mandatory training for us, again, readiness, to get our own personnel and members ready to go if they ever get the call. Just getting them, this knowledge for it. How it's like if you are deployed downrange and you get tasked with a bare base. We gotta make sure that our personnel, they know what it's like to set everything up from the ground up. With all my guys that have been participating so far, I mean, man, these guys are great. These guys are so awesome. From the beginning when they came into our organization, to our unit, of course, everybody always starts off, pretty quiet, just trying to feel everybody out. And to see them grow over these past 7 years, they're taking initiative, they're stepping up, they want to learn, and the things that they did remember from when they were in tech school, they're applying it to here. They're asking those questions, they're getting involved. This training alone makes me feel great that we can come together as a team, that if we ever get deployed, they got my back. And if I ever send them out, they know what they're doing.